showing you guys how, if you want to become a truck driver, you know, I'm over here at watching these guys at Roadmaster backing up. Look like he's doing a good job backing up. He is. I'm watching these boys want to become truck drivers over here. Boy, he come in flying like a mofo. Goodness gracious. Jesus. Man, he come in hot. Yeah, he trying to back up right there. Let me see how this let's see how he do. I should have caught him from the beginning. Oh. Pull up a little bit, my man. A girl, woman. I guess he don't want to get out. I guess he's trying to figure something out, unless the trainer is inside the truck with him, not trying to talk to him, tell him what to do. Okay, there you go. Pull up a little bit. Come on, keep pulling up there a little bit, my man. Look like he about to back up also. On the far back, look like he backing up. So I guess today is backing up day, I guess. Straighten up your truck and you be good. Yeah, get out your truck, get out and look, make sure you're not gonna hit the cone or hit somebody else's truck. The cones is like gonna be another truck driver truck, basically. Make sure that you don't hit their truck. Looks like he having trouble over there. Alright, good job for him, man. Good job, good job. Like I said, just straighten up your truck, pull up and straighten up, and that's it. It doesn't matter if you have to do 5 or 10 pull-ups. As long as you ain't hitting nobody's truck, you are good. But it's a big old school right here. Roadmaster Truck Driving School. Like I said, I'm just vlogging. If you guys want to become a truck driver, you know, whoever watching my videos, subscribing to my channel, they're gonna Warner guy right there. Not Warner, but Roadmaster guy right there. Looks like he about to come into the facility. Let me get out his way. I don't want to get hit because he's still learning how to drive a truck. So look like somebody already hit that fence already. Let's see what they do. Yeah, he did a good job backing up back there. He did a good job backing up. Let's see what Warner do. Come on, Warner. Not Warner. Damn, I keep the goddamn blue trucks freezing the hell out of me, you know. Let's see. All right. Swing wide. Don't hit the fence. Kind of close there, buddy. But good turn. I guess Warner owns the Roadmaster Truck Driving School because I see their logos on the back of the trucks, on the side of the trucks. Alright, looks like we got a female truck driver. Well, you guys, if you want to be a truck driver, man, you know, come to Roadmaster. And I'm quite sure Warner will teach you how to, you know, drive a truck and everything else, man. Got to give a shout out to Warner Enterprise, you know, helping people who want to be truck drivers out here, you know, trying to keep the world moving. I salute Warner Enterprise. Bravo, bravo. All right, guys. Peace.